It's me.
Oh, hi guys.
What happened?
Welcome to our apartment. So today I will be doing, I will be showing you guys our apartment. So this is the official apartment tour, empty apartment tour, luxury apartment tour. Okay, so right now we're standing in the mudroom. Up there we have a nice little light. Over here we have our coat room, our coat closet. So when you come into our apartment, shoes off in this closet.
That's right.
So we have the keyless, we have the keyless locking system. I really like that. Okay. So when you come in, this is our, I'm going OD. When you come in, this is our kitchen, living room, dining room, all in one. So this is our living room here. This is the dining room. Over here we have, is the lighting okay?
It's dark as hell.
Okay, that's because you're turned the other way. Over here we have a patio. So you're gonna have to turn to get the lighting right.
Yeah.
So this is our patio. We have blue walls, which is really, really nice. Cute little ramp. Two-door patio. In our dining room, we have these nice bookshelves. Can't wait to decorate. Over here we have studio lights. Oh, and we also have high ceilings. I think they're about 9-10 feet high.
Yeah.
I'm 5. I'm 5 feet, so 2 of me is 10. I would say about 12. I would say about 12 feet high. Okay, so to my favorite part, which is the kitchen. We have this beautiful island. Over here, is the lighting okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Over here we have the pantry, which I'm also excited about that because I'm going to be doing a lot of organization, pantry, decor, setup type of vibe. I'm really into that. I watch a lot of YouTube videos on that, so can't wait to do that. Over here we have our stainless steel refrigerator. Well, freezer and refrigerator into one. We have a lot of cabinets. This is our oven, microwave here. I love that everything is white. It's just bright, and I know whenever I do my videos, I might do some cooking videos. It's gonna look really, really nice. Just checking everything out. Oh, we have a dishwasher right here. And another thing that I love, can you come around, is these 2 lamps. They are so freaking cute. Don't you like those? You didn't say nothing about the lighting here.
I love everything.
So I really like these lighting. That's our sink. That's our island. And yeah, do you want to show them the bedroom?
Yeah, let's go. Let's do it.
No, do you want to do it? Like I record you.
All right, let's go.
You sure?
Here, grab this camera.
Yeah, he's not, he's camera shy.
Grab this camera.
Okay, so Timothy will be showing you guys the bedrooms.
All right, y'all ready? Let's go. So, this is the guest bedroom. Room with all the windows, nice view. Might turn this into like a little studio room slash, content creator type thing, But this is a little closet that we have also. This is where all my shoes going. From here, all the way here, up there. A little something. All right, let's take a walk down the hall. This is our guest bathroom. Where's the light switch? here we go. Nice granite tops, stainless steel. Got a nice window. Feel like looking at the skyway, you know, use the bathroom. Nice shower, tub. And I don't know what this is, we can't get in.
I think that's our water heater.
Oh, okay. Yeah, let me see it. This is our wash and dry unit.
But they're doing something to it right now,
yeah,
so.
They gotta get together. All right, and this is where the magic happens.
It's
right
me
here.
caring about my hair.
This is the master. You know, we have the high ceiling just like the dining room. Have our 3 little windows up here. Have our own private balcony. Oh. Boom. Got nice little lamps behind you right there. Nice view. Let's take a look at the bathroom. Ooh. His and her sinks.
He already named his sink, y'all.
I mean, come on around. Then we have our nice stand-up shower. Ooh. Steamy. Then we have our towel closet right here. Come on. Towel closet. And this,
You just told me to come on?
yeah, come on.
What? On my video, you telling me to come on? Y'all, who you think he is? Hold on.
And in here is our closet. Well, this whole half right here is hers, and I'm stuck behind the door right here.
No, his words, because I did not. No. Not, because I don't want y'all thinking she bossy. Not once did I tell Timothy I wanted that whole entire closet or most of it. I always agreed to equally share the closet. He came in here saying that, oh, I only got a little bit of stuff, so you can have that, and I have this little spot, and I have the other closet in the bedroom.
That's all right, y'all. I'll just take the other closet over there. It's okay.
So he's fine with that. I don't want y'all thinking she look bossy. But that is our apartment tour. We're gonna be giving you, well, mostly me, because this is my channel, so I'll be giving you guys a lot of different content. Within like decorating, because I'm gonna decorate OD. We have a lot of furniture. We're literally have to pick up everything tomorrow or this weekend. But we have a lot of things we have to get done, so this video is not gonna be super duper long. So yeah, so I'm excited. I'm very, very happy. I'm proud of us because we really worked hard for this and it's finally here. The journey to get here, guys, was OD. Oh my gosh. But that's another story to tell for another day. We're finally here. I thank God for the many blessings that he prepared for us. And you ready to take shots? And we'll see you guys in the next video, or I'll see you guys. I'm trying to get Timothy on YouTube, and it's like,
I'm gonna work on it, y'all. I'm gonna work on it, I promise.
He just don't know how much money we can make. Okay. No, okay, I'm not doing it for the money right now, obviously, but when that time does come, he gonna be jumping on the bandwagon, y'all. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.